kabar?
Apa kabar?
Baik, Pak.
Waduh.
I like the happy hour bar. You can try cocktail and everything. Okay. Let's go, Pak.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here at AB Steak. It's a fine dining restaurant popularized by Akira Beck, who is a very well-known, renowned chef who has restaurants all over the world. And for those of you who may be familiar with Pak Lokman, he's more well-known as a producer, a director, and even an actor. But today he's in the restaurant business. I wonder why, Pak Lokman.
This is a part of acting. Act like owner. No. It's just like because start from passion,
Right?
right? Our family, big family, really love food and everything.
Okay.
When we go to some traveling and everything,
Right.
we always try the food,
Sure.
even the traditional food, even
Okay.
the nice restaurant and everything.
Okay.
That's why jadi sebenarnya kalau di F&B I start with the Guten Morgen Coffee
Right.
Lab,
Right.
and then also barengan juga sama Pak Ricky, one of the owner
Okay.
juga dari Adia Group. Kita tergabung di Adia
Oh,
Group.
okay.
Pak Ricky mentioned me about the AB Steak and
Okay.
Bar.
And this is the only one in the whole of Indonesia?
Yes, of course.
Wow.
The only one. Dari situ, because I know Chef Akira Beck, he is one of the the experienced chef dan udah
Right.
kemana-mana dan restorannya pun Michelin
Right.
star.
Right.
Why not? That's why I joined with Pak Ricky in AB Steak with Adia.
Okay. And this is, I understand, this is one of the private rooms. But when I entered the entrance, you have a big hall.
Yes, of
and
course.
that is capable of handling office functions,
Yes.
meetings, and all that.
Parties.
Because I can see that there's a stage
Yes.
for people to present. There's
Yes.
a big screen TV.
Yes, of course.
It's perfect.
Yes, yeah, because we know sometimes when people go or go to eat, dia bisa juga menikmati makanannya, of course, tapi sambil juga dia punya ambience atau atmosfer yang enak.
Okay.
Dan ini juga jadi bagian bagaimana dia enjoy the food,
Yes.
because we have the great atmosphere, ambience, and we can try the bar,
Right.
drink. Kita punya beberapa minuman yang bisa dibilang modern cocktail yang
Okay.
kita experiments, tapi
I think we
dengan
need to try
rasanya
that, yeah.
enak. Yeah, you can try. Then also we have like ada panggung itu tadi yang Bapak bilang, karena kadang-kadang orang perlu untuk just bukan sekedar entertainment, tapi mereka perlu ada gathering company or
Right.
family atau parties yang mereka perlu panggung, ada live music yang kita provide setiap jam 7,
Right.
lebih ke jazz entertainment,
Right.
jadi dengan suasananya tuh nyambung.
Right. Okay. Now maybe this question is interesting for me because you are reputable in the areas of filmmaking
Yes.
and all that, and now you're in the F&B business. What would be your biggest challenge in running a restaurant such a wonderful restaurant such as this?
That's why I need Pak Ricky.
Oh, his background is
His background is for F&B is udah banyak lah.
Okay.
Secara Adia Group, Pak Ricky itu F&B-nya sudah cukup banyak dia experience-nya. Karena bukan baru kali ini dia buka F&B.
Oh, okay.
Ada beberapa tempat lagi, bukan hanya di Jakarta, ada di Medan, ada di Bali, secara F&B. That's why I learn from Pak Ricky. Ya, bukan hanya cuman sekedar yuk, tapi I need to learn also. Even nggak yang completely details ya, tapi memang is a very challenging, Pak. Karena kalau kita ngomong food kan, orang itu pasti pertama tuh kalau menurut saya, pertama dia lihat pertama mungkin dia lihat tempatnya. Tempatnya oke. Habis itu dia mulai menyium bau makanannya. And after that, taste.
Right.
Tapi yang tertinggal pasti yang dua. Kalau tempatnya bagus tapi makanannya atau dia nggak menerima makanan yang enak, pasti dia nggak akan balik lagi.
Okay.
It's a very challenging. That's why di F&B itu kita mengutamakan juga taste-nya dan juga konsistensi. Jadi dia stabil gitu, setiap nggak akan berubah-berubah. Yang ini yang dijagain. Pada saat dia udah suka, dia datang ke situ. Kalau makanannya rasanya berubah-berubah terus, of course dia nggak balik lagi. Ditambah lagi kompetitornya juga banyak,
Okay.
right? Nah, benangnya AB Steak sendiri itu tadi seperti Bapak ngerasain bahwa kita punya menu-menu yang mungkin nggak ada di tempat lain, yang cuman bisa ditemuin di
Unique.
AB Steak.
Yeah,
Unique.
unique.
That's the strong from Chef Akira.
Okay.
Dia karena dia punya pengalaman yang banyak, dia mencoba meramu makanan-makanan yang memang jadi selling point-nya kita, jadi signature-nya kita. Dan itu penting karena ya kita akan selalu berhadapan dengan kompetitor, tapi kalau kita kuat di situ, ya kita akan selalu jalan gitu.
Okay. You know, from this conversation, Ken, I can see that there's a lot of detail and thinking to all this. You know, from the moment you step into the restaurant, you can see a nice ambience.
Yes,
visually it's appealing. And then when you are served with the food, it tastes very good. So you're actually providing a whole total package of experience. But of course, food consistency is very
Yes, of
important.
course.
This is F&B, and it is supported by all the other external factors that make a customer happy to come to your restaurant.
Yes.
But we are very happy to be a part of your restaurant.
Yeah.
I can see that we are using the Quadra table
Yes.
and the drawings from Quadra.
Yes.
Now, Pat, maybe the last question from me is that what do you think of Quadra being a part of all this?
Okay. When we are looking a partner,
Right.
of course kita harus cari partner yang punya same vision,
Okay.
yang paling mendekati ke visinya kita.
Right.
Dan waktu kita cari Quadra yang paling mendekati, close to our vision and everything. Satu itu, karena kalau visinya kita udah sama atau mendekati, pasti kedepannya akan lebih enak. Kedua, quality of course.
Right.
Dari apa yang kita dapat di Quadra itu quality-nya luar biasa.
Thank you.
It's a very good quality. And then secara desain dan motif juga bagus. Dan match to dengan konsep yang ada di AB Steak. That's why we using, and then kita merasa bahwa Quadra adalah partner yang paling pas untuk kita.
Okay.
Gitu.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for all these comments and all that. We are definitely again very happy to be a part of this restaurant establishment. And you know what? I promise you, this is my first time here. Maybe by this weekend, I'll bring my wife and my daughter to enjoy the steak in AB Steak.
Yeah, thank you, Pak.
Thank you, Pak.
Thank you. Enjoy.